Hey guys, so today I'm revisiting the pepper growing experiment. And if you remember last time, I decided to stop adding the nutrient supplements that I started each seed with, because as you could tell, they were dying. There was just too much nutrients for them, and it was actually becoming toxic. As you can see here, some of these plants are almost dead. So I started watering with just water and whatever nutrients they'd already absorbed or were already absorbed into the peat pots that they were in. And this is day 28. And you see where we are right now. The seaweed is by far the strongest plants, followed closely by the water. I don't think that the growth is that much different. I can compare the largest of the seaweed with the largest of the ones grown with just water in these peat pots. And side by side, there's not a lot of difference. The seaweed is a little bit larger, but overall all of the seaweed are a little bit larger than the ones with the water. Go over here to the ones grown in Miracle-Gro acid, and they're just hanging on, just barely hanging on. You can compare that sad looking guy with the largest of the Miracle-Gro Bloom here, and it's the largest of them is comparable with the largest of the ones grown in water, but the rest aren't quite as strong. So this is kind of an anomaly. Next, let's look at the roots. You can see here that the seaweed has roots popping right out of the peat pot. Not as quick to see them here on the water. There it is. You can just barely see it. It's starting to sprout a little bit of a root out of the water one. We go over here to the acid, and not a chance. Nothing at all in here. Nope, don't see any. All right, and over here, let's look at this Miracle-Gro with the bloom, and I don't see anything. Oh, right there you can see it. There's a little bit of a root sticking out there, so it's growing a root out through the peat pot. So this is my results so far, day 28. As you can see where we are. I'm going to continue with this experiment with just using water and the residual minerals that are in the peat pots that they've absorbed from the initial part of this experiment. I'm not going to add any more because it was just, you could see that it was starting to kill them off. So check with me in next week. We'll see where we are with these guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.